Hi, I'm Alana, and I would love you to welcome on a seventh episode of this podcast. Um, First thing I want to say is that maybe I will release a special episode about my mushroom trip, but I'm not honestly sure about that. But a few things I realized. I'm still searching for some answers and I'm just finding another questions and not an answers. Mushrooms are very chaotic. I'm still going somewhere in my life, but in many times I ain't going anywhere, and that's even more frustrating. And the biggest realization I realized every time I eat mushrooms, and that is most of the problems are because of people. And if we don't have any people in our lives will be much easier, but less better. So, yeah, these are a few things I wanted to share about my trip. I will probably release special episode about it. But now for the main theme of this video, and that's work. In this society in 21st century, it's pretty normal that everyone's going to work. Like not everyone, you know what I mean? You can be entrepreneur or something like that, but practically everyone is working. Like everyone is working. Everyone is working or everyone is working on something that's actually normal. But you know that I started my new almost first job few days, weeks ago. Tomorrow I will go on a 8th day in work for 13-hour shift. It's you. I hate it. I don't like it. I don't want to do that. Because first, I said that this job's good, but it's not bad at all, Nothing, it's just all bad and all good, but 8-hour shifts are okay, and I'm definitely okay with them, but I'm not okay with 13 hours shifts I will have from tomorrow, and I won't have any else shifts, and I am definitely not happy about that, because these 13 hours are way too long, and you can't do anything after that. I want nothing to do. I just want to lay in my bed and sleep and go on live myself. Yeah, because you know why? People are so used to go to work that they are forgetting that it's not common for people. It didn't used to be common, at least for women, like 50 years ago. And people just shouldn't be working to keep themselves alive. That's weird. And I definitely don't understand that it's not unusual for another people because I really sometimes feel like I am the alien here, but I'm not. Working 13 hours shifts, it's not normal. So you can live with basic needs and satisfy your basic needs. That's Do you hear that? Do you hear how twisted weird it is that? And this is our society. We just have to work to live, to survive. And if we don't work, we won't survive. We end up as a homeless people, and other people will shame you as that's just happening. So, yeah, People are not wired to go to work to live. We we should be at, I don't know, forest, do what we love, but not going to work that someone can feed on our job. That's the main problem I have with work. I get paid, okay, not that bad, but it's definitely far from best. I have to do 13-hour shifts. I have a lot of responsibility, and someone is making a profit on my job, which is highly underpaid. This is twisted. This is not good. This shouldn't be like that. You know, when you're capitalist and you own these big companies, of course your life is much better than life of those people that you are making a profit on. Yeah, I just really don't like how this works. And that's the reason I have a problem with job. It's not natural for people, and our society is just twisted and sick, and I don't like it. And I don't want to do work. I just don't. I love to record videos. I will do everything for myself. I will exercise. I will work on my company and entrepreneur things, whatever. But I don't want to feed with my work other people. No, I just don't. And that's the reason why I am right now a little bit unhappy about my situation because I don't know what should I do. I need money, I need to work. That's a fact. But I really don't want to do that because it's really draining. It's mentally extremely draining for me. And because of my mentality, I really struggle in work. I had 3 free days, and since the first day, I was thinking about how I will get back to work and I will have to go there. And I know it's not good to think about that like this, but I just can't. I can't stop. I can't stop thinking about that. I can't stop thinking about it. Tomorrow I will go to work from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, and I will do nothing. I will be drained of energy and I will probably end because I really don't want to do that and I don't know what else should I do. I used to do tarot readings and I had a tarot YouTube channel and I was thinking about to continue to grow my old YouTube channel and start to do tarot readings again so I should not have to work. And you know what? I'm desperate. I'm so desperate that I was actually thinking about offering, how can I say that in a prettier way, my body to men. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. This is how desperate I am from my work. And you can be laughing at me, you can say me that I am lazy, and you are probably right because I really don't want to work and I hate it and it's not normal, it's not natural, and I definitely want to go in my life another path, and this is not the one. I don't want to go up in a corporate ladder. That's horrible for me, and I know some people love that. I know some people love many things about corporate jobs, and they feel safe in their work, but I don't, and I don't like that. So yeah, another point I wanted to say. I am just a runner, so I decided that I will start to ride horses again. So, yeah, I will start ride horses again. So in the summer, I could go on the Iceland on some farms to do job with horses. And I had a first lecture today, and it was actually pretty good. Month back, I went back to my home, to my parents' house, and today I went to the stable where I started riding like 10 years ago. First moments of my lecture was horrible because I wasn't riding for years, but then I felt pretty good and I got a tip for a contact to some Icelandic farms. So I guess maybe my dream will come true, and in the summer I will be on Iceland, and God knows where my life will go. So yeah, I'm not sure what questions should I be asking you today, because I just wanted to say this about jobs, about society. So yeah, I give you some advice. Do not be afraid to quit things you hate, which drains you out of energy and doesn't bring you anything good, and you feel that with your intuition. And think about that. What is draining energy in your life? Are you happy with your work? Don't you want to do something else? Is job that you do right now your dream job? It's not. If it's not, think about it. What do you want to do? What do you expect from your life? So yeah, those are the questions you definitely should be asking. And I will say my goodbyes for today. So yeah, I hope you had a better day than I did, and you will hear me in another episode. Bye.